Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to unbox our 3D printer. So we're gonna have my husband help us put this thing together because y'all know your girl can't put jack together. But anyway, so this is the whoa, y'all can't even see that. Look at me, look at me. Oops, wrong button. Settings. We're going to go to camera and we're going to go to our back camera. All right, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. This is what it came in. So actually, I'm gonna have him take this down so he can put printer on the top. You do get directions on how to put it together, all of the things. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. All right, honey, you can start unboxing it. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna throw that over there. Oh, y'all can't see. I'm gonna throw that over there. All right, and yeah, so he's gonna take it out of the box and set it on the table. There you go. And let's slide this up some. I'm gonna slide this up some. So this is how big it is. This is him pulling it out the box, and it came really, really secure. These little foam shindig. And you're supposed to be able to put this together in 10 minutes, but I don't know that I believe that, y'all. All right. And it's supposed to be able to run by Wi-Fi. And this is the Flash Forge 5M Adventure Pro. And y'all, they surely got it taped to death. It is Wednesday, y'all. We are finally almost to the end of another work week. So right now we're just taking off all of the tape. You have to be careful with these doors because if you don't, you will break the doors. So make sure that you are very, very careful with them. This is the top of it. On the on the inside, you will have your power cord. It gives you some filament. And all of this is stuff that you're supposed to take out. Whoops, I think you have to take out. Sure don't give you a whole lot of filament, do they? And you should have a USB cable and some other stuff down in here. Whoa, hold on. And I do mean it's packed in here, but let's see. Okay, so that's what happened. I think some of the stuff fell out. And you'll have a box, and inside this brown box, you'll have all of the tools you need. So this is what it looks like from the top of it on the inside. Okay. And this is what it looks like on the inside from the front. All right. So now, once it's all the way fully assembled, I will, well, not fully assembled. We'll start assembly and then I will come back to you guys. Okay. Once it's fully assembled. Okay, y'all. So now it is in the calibration stage, which is going to take about 6 minutes and 40 seconds. So far, so good. So I'll be back when it's together. Okay, y'all. So we are done with the calibration settings. The filament has been loaded. The heating is completed. So I'm guessing select PLA. I thought I hit that already. Oh, it's loading, it says. Maybe you touched PLA. Maybe I didn't do it right. Heating completed, loading, yep. Okay, so I guess I did do it right. Okay. All right, loading is completed. Now, please clean the filament on the nozzle platform and click print. Okay, so let me figure out what that is and I'll be right. All right, y'all. So here we go. So it should start printing. I guess this is what it's going to print, this little cube. And for the review that I watched that said the pictures are not clear, maybe they were not clear on yours, but for this video and this purpose, the pictures are very, very clear. Okay. Now it says it's preheating again. Yep, so the extruder is heating up. So I also want to say, when you are doing research on reviews, always go with what the majority is saying. If the majority is saying it's a good product, but you got one or two in there, it may be that they had user error or something like that. So go with the majority. So there's that. This is a paid promotion, but all opinions and thoughts are my own. So it's still in the preheating stage. So I guess once it starts, well, sorry, it's printing now. So let's watch it. And again, it's supposed to print a mini cube, and it's going to take 6 minutes, okay? And this is how you know how long it takes, 6 minutes. And this is just a test project that automatically comes on the project or on the machine. But the very first project that I have is we're going to do a mini football helmet. Or at least we're going to try, should I say. This is definitely going to tell us if we got it hooked up right. I don't know how long it takes before it starts printing. All right, so when it completely starts printing, then I'll come back. All right, y'all, it looks like it is starting to print. Let's see what it's gonna do. Still, it's at 0%. Says it's ready, so we'll see what we get. All right, y'all, we have action. I don't know how well you can see it, but we have action. So it does take quite a few minutes before the print even starts to print. But, and this should take 3 minutes to print, or 4, well, yeah, 3 minutes to print. Wow. So I guess once it starts rocking out, it starts rocking out, because, yeah. So I guess you have to be patient with it. I did change it to like some keychain thingy here. It'll be like a replica. So if you don't know what 3D printing is, do some research on it. But I will be bringing several videos on the channel with 3D printing, along with some other new things that we're going to do, but it is looking real good. And it looks like it's pretty precise too. So 4-minute print. So once that print finishes printing, I will show you the final product. Okay, y'all. So as you can see, our printing is completed. We're going to hit OK. We're going to open this up. And we're going to look at the print real close on this bed. I'm not going to touch it. Oh, it didn't cool down. So we're going to take off. Anytime you print, you got to remove your lining of film that's on there. And then we're going to pick up our... Ew. Maybe I put too much glue. Wait. Oh, is this how you... Y'all, hold on. Okay. Oops. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this off. Okay, y'all. So as y'all can see, that is held on there by a magnet, and it was really, really strong. But this is the version of a little keychain that they made. You can 3D print just about anything. So we are definitely going to be making some really cool replicas. It's strong, okay? This type of filament right here is called the burnt titanium. So you could actually put this on a key. So y'all, that's our final product. I'm loving it. Nice and smooth. Really, really dope. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. So until next time, let me flip my camera. Uh-oh. Wrong button, y'all. I keep doing that. That's because I'm on this phone, but y'all know how it is. All right, y'all. So until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.